Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to explore the top 5 containerization tools that are essential for modern software development and deployment. We'll look at Docker alternatives and some of the leading container orchestration platforms. So, what exactly is containerization? Containerization involves packaging an application, along with all its dependencies, into a lightweight and portable container. This ensures that the application runs consistently across different environments. Key benefits of containerization include providing a consistent runtime environment, isolating applications from the host system, and offering faster performance compared to virtual machines. First up, we have Docker, which is often considered the pioneer of modern containerization. Docker popularized containerization by providing very easy-to-use commands and an extensive ecosystem. Docker makes it easy to create and manage containers, and it has a large community with extensive resources, and is generally considered as an industry standard for development. Some basic Docker commands include Docker build, which builds an image from a Docker file, Docker run, which runs a container from an image, mapping port 8080 of the host to port 80 of the container, Docker ps, which lists running containers, and Docker stop, which stops a container by its container ID. Next is Podman. Podman is a container engine that runs containers without needing a daemon, which enhances security and resource efficiency. It allows for rootless container execution and uses Docker-compatible commands, and also includes pod management capabilities. Some common Podman commands include Podman build, which is similar to Docker build, Podman run, which runs a container and automatically removes it when it exits, Podman pod create, which creates a pod, which is a group of one or more containers, and Podman ps, which lists all containers, including those that are not running. Now let's discuss Kubernetes, often abbreviated as Kubernetes. Kubernetes is a powerful container orchestration platform that automates the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. Kubernetes offers auto-scaling and load balancing, self-healing capabilities, and service discovery and networking. Some basic kubectl commands include kubectl create deployment, which creates a deployment, kubectl expose deployment, which exposes the deployment as a service, kubectl scale, which scales the number of replicas, and kubectl get pods, which lists the pods in the cluster. Next, we have Containered, which is a core container runtime. Containered is a lightweight, industry-standard runtime used by both Docker and Kubernetes. It is known for being a minimal and focused runtime. It provides high performance and stability. Containered is a cloud-native computing foundation graduated project. Some basic containered commands using the CTR tool include CTR images pull, which pulls an image, CTR run, which runs a container, CTR containers list, which lists containers, and CTR namespaces list, which lists namespaces. Finally, we have LXC and LXD, which provides operating system level virtualization with full Linux system containers. It is designed to provide near-native performance and offer advanced networking and storage capabilities. Some basic LXD commands include LXC launch, which launches a container, LXC exec, which executes a command inside a container, LXC list, which lists the available containers, and LXC stop, which stops a container. In summary, we've covered the top 5 containerization tools. Docker, the pioneer and standard, Podman, known for daemonless security, Kubernetes, the orchestration leader, Containered, the core runtime, and LXC or LXD, offering system containers. Remember to choose the right tool based on your specific containerization needs. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.